$300 per day just by copying and pasting videos? Yes, that's right. And you don't even need a video camera. If you want to learn how you could be making $300 per day by copying and pasting videos, the first thing you need to do is head over to... Hi, my name is Kyle Heaney. I create videos with strategies about how you can make money online. If you subscribe to this channel, I send you a notification every single time I create a video so you don't miss out on any chances. If you stay to the end of this video, I will show you an extra bonus method that's made me a lot of money online that you could start today. Warning, you're doing this at your own risk. Maybe you only make $50 to $100 a day. All depends on how much work you're putting in. But if you want to change your future, I know you're going to put in the effort. So, what you'll learn if you watch this entire video to the end. You will learn how to make passive income, how to earn between $100 and $300 a day passively, and how to make sure that passive income comes in every single day. We know that YouTube pays its creators millions of dollars every day. It's the second biggest search engine in the world with 2 billion users per day. They averagely watch a video for around 40 minutes per day. I'm going to show you in a few simple steps how you can get in on the money. This is a free strategy that you could start today. You could start to change your future today. So for today's strategy, we're going to be using a few different websites. The first one is Pexels. On this website, you can have thousands of different videos and images, and they're all copyright free, which means you can use them in any way. On here, we're going to take a few of their videos in order to create your very own video. The second website we're going to be using is YouTube Audio Library. Again, there are thousands of different types of music you can have, different genres, types, moods, and it's supplied to you by YouTube, so you're free to use on any of your YouTube videos. People who make these kind of motivational, inspirational videos are getting thousands of view hours every single month and making some serious money. This channel over here, Be Inspired, is making between £1,000 and £17,000 a month. This channel is making £212,000 a year. Can you imagine? Just over the last 30 days, they made 6.8 million views. Crazy, right? I'm going to show you one of their videos because you're going to be creating something similar to it today.
I am motivated.
As you can see, it's a very simple video. We're going to put it all together in a few easy steps. So let's begin. We're going to head over to our first website again, Pexels, to get our videos in order to create our video. So since we're making a motivational, inspirational type video, I think we should use something like drone footage. As you can see here, open spaces, trees, beaches. For me, this kind of imagery gives people a feeling of freedom, feeling of motivation, inspiration, and this is what we're going for when making this video. So if you want a video, you just click on it, you click free download, and then either you can donate to the person or whatever you want, but you don't have to. Again, this website is completely free. But let's say you're doing something like a workout motivation video. You can look up someone doing workouts. Download a few videos, put them together, give some upbeat music, and you'll be good to go. Or maybe you're looking for financial videos. You can go over here, pictures of money, people working, office hours. You can make a financial motivational video. Next, what we're going to need is, once we've got all our videos together, put them nicely in one file so we can stay organized, is we're going to need some music. So we're going to head over to YouTube Audio Library. All the music here, again, is completely free to use. So for this video, I looked up inspirational, genre, ambient, cinematic to give this feeling of uplifting, motivation, upbeat. Before, I was looking at the music and I found this music video, Instant Crush. For me, it gave like a really upbeat thing, like maybe someone's about to go jogging in the morning or somebody just needs to lift up their day or whatever it is. This music gave me like a feeling of inspiration. It really lifted me up and I really liked it for this video. Let's have a listen. Nice in the beginning, waking up, having some affirmations playing in your head, you're going out. I think this will really work well with our video. So once you've chosen the one you want, you're going to go over on the side here, click download, and it's going to go straight into your computer. Next step of our video. So remember when we were listening to the video before, we had the video clips, we had some music, but we had spoken word over the video as well. And you may be asking where we're going to find that. Right on here, the Internet Archive. On here, there are thousands of audio books, video clips, and different kinds of things that we can use all for free. I'd say about 90% of them are Creative Commons, so just check it out. But for the purpose of our video today, we're looking for audio. So we're going to click on the audio button over here, and then we're going to click on audio books and poetry. So when we come over to this page, we're going to look, because of the video we're making today, is motivation, inspiration, this is what we're going to search. I typed in motivation. You need to make sure to click on audio over here on the left hand side, because we need the audio for the video. So let's try one. How about the Path to Prosperity? As you can see here, usage, public domain, Creative Commons, which means we are free to use this video how we want. Let's give it a listen.
Forward and Chapter 1 of the Path of Prosperity. I found one law.
As you can hear, this video is not the inspirational, motivational type. But let's say you wanted to make a video about the church or about the Bible. You could use something like this. All you'd have to do is scroll down over here, go to VBR MP3 because this gives you a high quality download, and you can make your video. When I was making this video, I found something that really resonated with me. So I went over to community audio, I typed in positive affirmations, again I checked the audio box and it came up with this. 100 different audios that we could use in order to make videos. But the one that I really liked and I thought would go really well with our video today is 77 powerful confidence affirmations. Let's give it a little listen. Imagine the music, imagine the videos that we picked already, and now these affirmations coming over. I think it's going to work really well with our video.
Naturally to me.
Yes,
I confidently
this is going to be perfect. So what you're going to do after, you're going to scroll down over here and you're going to download VPR MP3 to get the high quality that we need. With some of these affirmations and some of the recordings, you might just need to drop a review over here and ask the person for usage rights, but most of the time you don't need to do it. So now we have our video, our audio, and our spoken word. What's the next step? Putting everything together. On here, I'm going to show you free ways of putting everything together, but you can obviously use paid software. You have sites like OpenShot Video Editor. You go into Google, type this in, it gives you a free download. They have videos on here on how you can create your videos step by step, all the different features on you. If you're using an iMac, you can use iMovie Player. If you're using Windows 10, you can use their free video editor. It's really basic. I'm going to show you how to make a video on there. Windows and Microsoft Video Editor. What you need to do is click plus over here, let it open. You need to make a name for this file. Let's say motivation YouTube. Okay, so this is the basic setup for you. What you need to do is add files. From this PC, I already have selected from my little file over here, Kyle's video. I'm going to select them and open them. After, you can drag them into any order that you want inside the storyline. So for me, let's start off with the beach. We have the image in the middle, and then we have our last little video. Okay, so here's our first video, but maybe it's a bit too long, 40 seconds for the intro. We click in the right hand corner here, we're going to go trim. Now we can drag the slider and we can just decide on how long we want the video. But just for the purpose of this video, it's just an example, I'm going to put it down to 3 seconds. But you can make it however long you want. But let's say maybe you have a 40-second clip, but you want it to play for 2-3 minutes. Or we're going to click speed over here and we can choose the speed of the clip. And this will make it longer for us. But for us, I think we should keep at 1. The next step is the image. We're going to click on the image over here. Ooh, but as you can see, there are black bars on the image. We don't want that in our video. So we're going to click over here and we're going to say remove black bars. It's going to zoom in a bit, but hey, it's better than having those black bars. Then, to make this image feel part of the video, we want it to move and do something. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on motion. As you can see, the different settings over here of what you can make the image do. Let's click zoom out center. Click over here. As we can see, the image is now moving. It looks like part of the video. Then we're going to click done. Then our next part of the video, also 23 seconds. I'm going to trim it down just for the example, but you can make it again as long as you want. There, let's make it 3 seconds again. And done. As well, I forgot to tell you, with the image, if you wanted to make it a bit longer or how long you wanted it to stay on screen, you can click over here. You can click 30 seconds, 2 seconds, however long you want. I'm going to put 2 seconds. Okay, now say maybe you wanted to add some text over here. You would click on text. There's different styles on the side you can click from. Let's try joy. Click over here, type whatever you want, and it's going to come up. You can also select how long we want it to show on the screen for. It's up to you. But for our video, I'm going to take that off. Then next, you can have your motion again. You have 3D effects that you can throw in here. Let's say this sparkly stuff. You can choose how big we want it, how long we want it. Let's go over here. We can push play. And we have sparkly stuff on our video. But obviously, we don't want that today. You can also put on different filters. You can select adventure, pearl, whatever you want. I'm going to stick to the original. So now we have the video sorted, our images sorted, our text sorted. We need to hit up the audio. So what we're going to do is we're going to come on the right hand side over here and click custom audio. We're going to add our audio files by clicking add audio file. We need our music, instant crush. Also we need our affirmations, 77 powerful affirmations. Then on the bottom here, you want to drag this to the beginning. You want to move our affirmations over here and select it over the entire video. Here our music, instant crush. We want to do the same thing. Move it back, drag it over the entire video. But let's say the music is too loud, or we want our affirmations to come through more. So we can click on the volume over here. We can turn down, maybe put it on 50%, so it's not overpowering for the words. After we're going to click done. And look at that, our video is put together. Let's have a listen.
I am bold and outgoing. Confidence comes naturally to me.
Oh yes, we have rocked this video today and it is now ready to go straight up to YouTube. The next thing you want to do is click finish video. You want to keep it high on 1080p to get the quality you really need. And then you're going to click on export. I'm not going to click on export because I'm not using this video. But you will save it somewhere safe and then upload it up to YouTube. So now you've created your videos, you've uploaded them, now you want to get paid. For YouTube, the minimum requirement in order to get paid is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But these videos are really popular, so you're going to get there real fast. Now what you want to do next is go over to Google AdSense and create a Google AdSense account, because this is how you're going to get paid. So the day you make the minimum requirements, you're just going to send YouTube an email saying, hey, go check out my channel. But we want to get paid from the beginning. So how are we going to do this? With affiliate marketing. And we're going to earn commissions of up to 60% when people buy stuff from our links. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to ClickBank. After you're going to sign up, become an affiliate of them. So once we're there, we're going to go into their homepage. As you can see, there's plenty of different stuff we can choose from. On the left hand side here, we're doing something motivational. So maybe we can go into spirituality, new age, or maybe self-help. But let's say you did a gym motivation. You can get some dieting books, different workout programs. Say you're doing finance, you can do some education, ebooks, e-marketing, whatever you want. But for us, I went to spirituality and new age thinking. Over here, there are many different products that you can post under your video. Just have a call to action saying, hey, go check out my product at the end. What you're going to do is you're going to click promote, you're going to get a little affiliate link, and you're going to post it underneath your video. If you remember the video that we looked at earlier, look, they're doing it. They have here a clothing brand, they have a try therapy online. Every time somebody clicks on that link and makes a purchase through that, they're going to make a commission. So they're making money before they get monetized by YouTube. Remember that bonus I was telling you about? My #1 way to make money online? Well, here it is. When I started out, I was a chef working 80-hour weeks in London and barely had enough money to pay my bills at the end of the month, let alone have money to do something else. I went on to ClickBank as well. I was making small commissions here and there, but hey, every little bit helped. But it wasn't until I partnered with the right program that I thought that I could actually make this a future for me. They showed me step by step how to turn this into my own online business and actually make money passively all the time, and not just 1 week yes, 1 week no, maybe I make today, maybe I don't. They showed me how to turn this into a business that's consistent to make money for my future. And I don't know where you're at. Maybe you're working 60 to 80 hours. Maybe you're retired at home. But I really think this can be great for you. you click the link below in my bio. You're going to head over to another video by me where I explain this a little bit more, and you are also going to get the step-by-step guide about how you're going to create your very own online business and actually make a future for yourself. If you like this video and you'd like to see more strategies about how you can make money online, click the subscription button and I'll make sure to send you over a notification every single time I create a video so you don't miss out on any opportunities. Remember, like the video, throw down a comment if you have any questions, and have an awesome day.